It was a scorching day in Happy Valley, and even the rocks were sweating. Our friends found a grand ice cream truck, but they needed special job cards to get a treat. Kind Mr. Dozy explained that they had to work hard to earn their rewards. Everyone felt determined to help out and win those colorful cards. Now, Quacky and Hoppy are at the farm to start their first big mission. Let's see if they can make this dirty tractor shine like a star.
I'm ready.
Let's start this interesting job.
Whoosh whoosh. Wash my tractor until it shines like a star. Good luck.
Hey, the water is attacking me. Bad water.
Silly Quacky, look at the bubbles. They are round circles.
Ribbit! Scrub, 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 make it shine. Bubbles, bubbles, look so fine. Round and round and up they go. Are you ready? Hey! Let's start the show. One bubble, pop, 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 pop. Two bubbles, pop, 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 pop. Three bubbles, pop, pop, pop. Count to 10. Let's go. 4, 5, 6, pop it. 7, 8, 9, pop it. 10 big bubbles in the air. Boom, boom, pop. Bubbles everywhere.
I will eat the bubbles instead of ice cream. Pop, pop.
Quacky, help me wash the wheels.
What? I am a bubble monster. Look at me.
Oh my! It is cleaner than my glasses. Well done, Wolf Wolf.
We did it. Ice cream. Here we come.
Great teamwork, boys. But can BunnyBoo and Moody stay focused and finish their big job too?
Let's go, Moody. Let's pick up all the trash. Let's go.
Hee-haw, why is there so much trash? I'm so tired. One yellow banana peel. Into the bin you go.
Look at me. I'm a cleaning machine.
Things seem to be going very well for BunnyBoo and Moody.
The card! It got stuck on a tree. Hee-haw, we lost the ice cream forever.
Moody, please carry me up.
Okay, be careful.
Got it. Easy peasy lemon squeezy.
You saved the day, BunnyBoo and Moody. You are a heroes.
It was nothing. Can we eat now?
Wonderful! With all your hard work and great teamwork, everyone now holds a precious job card in their hands. That cool, refreshing ice cream treat is finally right there waiting for you. Let's look forward to our little friend's ice cream party in the next episode. Goodbye.